Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news as Etiyosa Ighodaro's move to Kaizer Chiefs seems to be off, which will leave many Kaizer Chiefs fans happy. And what's happening with Aphiwe Baliti? We are going to talk about that. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So let's start with Etiyosa God's Power Ighodaro, whose move to Kaizer Chiefs seems to be off, and that will leave many Kaizer Chiefs fans happy about that. Many Kaizer Chiefs fans were not happy about Ighodaro said to be joining Kaizer Chiefs. I was not happy, and according to multiple sources in the past few weeks, Ighodaro to Kaizer Chiefs was a done deal and was expected to be part of the Kaizer Chiefs team in Netherlands for preseason, but Ighodaro has not traveled with the team. He has not been announced at Kaizer Chiefs. So Ighodaro to Kaizer Chiefs was never a done deal. And news coming in from kickoff is that a team from the Moroccan Botola Premier League is interested in signing Etiyosa God's Power Ighodaro. So Ighodaro is still available on the market and is not a Kaizer Chiefs player, despite multiple reports suggesting that he's heading to Kaizer Chiefs, which also speaks to the level of journalism in our country. We were misled here. Maybe Kaizer Chiefs were interested in signing Ighodaro, but nothing materialized, and it was never a done deal. So seems like we were victims of poor journalism. This is one of the reasons we are called Facebook FC, and people mock us and say we sign players on Facebook. This is because of these media outlets. Kickoff said we signed Ime Ocon before he joined Hanover in Germany. So they are also making us look like clowns. But anyways, I'm not going to sit here and cry about Ighodaro. I never wanted God's Power Ighodaro at Kaizer Chiefs. Many Kaizer Chiefs fans never wanted Ighodaro. And this is because of the number of goals he scored in the Betway Premiership. It's not, his numbers are not convincing, mate. And the fact that he couldn't break to the Mamelodi Sundowns squad. I'm not talking about the starting 11. I'm not talking about a match day squad. I'm talking about a season squad. The guy was sent out on loan for 4 or 5 straight seasons at Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes, you may say Sundowns have better players, have better number 9s than us, which is true. But mate, if you can't even make one appearance, you are not good enough for Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't give a toss about this move failing, and many Kaizer Chiefs fans feel the same. So Etiyosa God's Power Ighodaro's move to Kaizer Chiefs seems to be off. So what about Aphiwe Baliti? So this is the story on Aphiwe Baliti, right? So Aphiwe Baliti was reportedly going to join Kaizer Chiefs, and this was according to Mickey Jr., who's regarded as the best African football journalist. This is what he said, and this was on the 9th of June. Aphiwe Baliti will be part of Kaizer Chiefs squad to the Netherlands for preseason. The agent has confirmed that talks are close to being finalized. So what's happening here? Are we again victims of poor journalism, or maybe Kaizer Chiefs or SuperSport, one between the two parties, decided to pull the plug in the last minutes? What's happening here? The deal was reportedly a done deal last month. The club has traveled to Netherlands for the preseason, and they are about to come back. No sign of Aphiwe Baliti in the camp. He has not been announced by Kaizer Chiefs. So this means Aphiwe Baliti's move to Kaizer Chiefs is off. I don't know, maybe Kaizer Chiefs decided to go for Nkanyiso Shinga over Aphiwe Baliti because we were linked with Aphiwe Baliti way before we signed Nkanyiso Shinga. So it could be that Kaizer Chiefs decided to pull the plug and go for Nkanyiso Shinga. But I would have loved to see Aphiwe Baliti to Kaizer Chiefs. Great young talent, good defensively and offensively. This would be a great signing. I would prefer him all day than the 31-year-old Paseka Marco. But seems like Aphiwe Paleti will not be joining Kaizer Chiefs, same as Etiosa God's Power Ighodaro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.